Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine and in good condition of Iman. Today we are going to start Task of Comprehension A, Slot 1, Day 1. We are going to do page number 50, first half. And we will learn question number 1. So open your Comprehension A, means science part of your maths workbook. So what is the topic? Our topic is parts of body. On page number 50 you will see that our topic is parts of body. We are going to recognize and color the parts of body. So first of all, here is an activity. Can you tell me or can you help this boy in finding his nose? Look at the noses. Different type of noses are here. Look at the first nose. What is it? Yes, it's a trunk of an elephant. It's a trunk of an elephant. It's not a nose of a human being. So look at the next picture. Yes, whose nose is this? It's a nose of human being or the nose of this boy. So let's match this nose with the boy. We are going to help him in finding his nose. So let's match the nose with the boy. And do you know what do we do with our nose? Yes, we can smell with our nose. And how many nose do you have? We have one nose, single one nose. And it is used to smell something. Can you smell from your nose? Yes. Okay students, now look at the first part of your page number 50. Here are some parts of our body. We will recognize them and then we will color them. Look at the first picture. What is it? It's a face. What is it? It's your face. And what is the color of face? Its color is skin, or you can do peach color from your color box. So we are going to color it after recognizing. Okay, look at the next picture. Yes, it is pointed towards hair. What is the color of hair? Yes, hair can be black or brown. And some people have curly hair, some have straight hair, and they have different color. Your grandfather or elder people have gray or white hair, but mostly people have black and brown hair. Now come to the third picture. What is it? It's an ear. What is it? It's an ear, and we can hear from our ears. And how many ears do we have? Yes, we have 2 ears. We have 2 ears and we can hear the sounds from our ear. So revise it once again. First picture is of face, next is hair, and last picture is of ear. Now you will color these pictures. Let's start coloring. First of all, we will color face. Use light brown or peach color for skin color. So make dark outline. Outline should be dark. So complete the outline, then we will fill the inner space and you will do light coloring. Color the white space inside. Outline should be dark, filling should be light, but all the white spaces should be filled properly and carefully. Now we have done coloring in face. Let's start coloring in hair. So you will make dark outline of hair, and after completing outline you will fill the inner space or white space with light colors. And we are doing black color. We are coloring here black. You can also do black brown color. So now we have completed colors in hair. Fill all the white spaces. Next is ear. Make dark outline of ear. And after completing your dark outline, you will fill inner space with light coloring. Fill light coloring. Fill inside the ear. Colors should be smooth and properly filled. Now your today's coloring is done. Let's start learning of question number 1. We are going to learn question number 1 and your question is name some body parts. Name any 5 body parts. So can you tell me the name of any 5 parts of body? Yes, face, hair, ears, eyes, nose, lips, and what else? Yes, arm, legs, foot. You can tell or learn any 5 names. Let's repeat. Face, hair, ears, eyes, nose, lips, arms, leg, foot. Revise it 1 or 2 times and after learning you will say Alhamdulillah. Students, now we are going to do task of day 2 comprehension A, page number 50, second half, and we will revise question number 1. Let's start page number 50, second half. In previous lecture I told you that we were recognizing some parts of body and we colored few parts of body. Now on page number 50, second half, we will learn or recognize some more parts of body. So open your book comprehension A, page number 50. Look at the second part of page number 50. Here we have 3 more parts of our body. Look at the first picture. What is it? Yes, it's an eye. What is it? Eye. You can see with your eyes. And how many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. How many eyes? 2 eyes. And what is the color of your eyeball? Yes, mostly people have black color of their eyes. Some have dark brown, and some people have different colors like green, brown, grey, hazel. So we can see with our eyes. How many eyes? We have 2 eyes. And these all parts of body are blessing of Allah. They are blessing of Allah. So we should say Alhamdulillah for all these blessings, or we should be thankful to Allah for all these blessings. He provided us with eyes to see, nose to smell, ear to hear, hands to touch. So we should be thankful to Allah for all these great blessings. We can see different things, different colors with our eyes, and we have 2 eyes. So which part is this? Eye. Come to the next picture. What are they? Yes, these are lips. And these all things are on our face. Our eyes, our lips, our nose are on face. So these are lips. And what is the color of lips? Pink. We have 2 lips and the color of lips is pink. Look at the last and third picture of today's task. Yes, here is a nose. What is it? Nose. And we can smell with our nose. So students, today we have recognized 3 more parts of body: eye, lips and nose. Eye, lips and nose. So after recognizing or learning their names, now we will color these pictures. So let's start coloring. Open your workbooks, recite Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and then color the eyeball of eye. We will make dark outline and we are coloring it brown. You can color it blue, you can color it green, you can color it brown. So we will just color the eyeball because rest of the part now of eye to the is next picture. White. Let's color the lips, make dark outline and then fill light colors inside. We will color lips pink. Next picture is of nose. Make dark outline of nose. You will use skin or light brown or peach color for nose. Make dark outline, then fill white space or rest of the space inside. We will do light colors inside. Let's fill all the white spaces and outline should be dark, filling should be light. And after completing your coloring, you will revise question number 1. In previous lecture we have learned question number 1 and the question was name any 5 parts of body. Name any 5 body parts. And these body parts are face, hair, ear, eye, nose, lips, arm, leg and foot. You can learn any 5 names of body parts. Face, hair, ear, eye, nose, lips, arm, leg and foot. Let's repeat it last time. Face, hair, ear, eye, nose, arm, lips, legs and foot. So students, it was your today's task. After completing it, say Alhamdulillah. Now we are going to start comprehension A, task of day 3, page number 50, third half, and we will learn question number 2. Open page number 50 of comprehension A. We have learned some names of body parts like face, hair, ear, eye, lips and nose. Now we are going to recognize 3 more parts of our body. Look at the first picture. What are they? These are teeth. These are teeth. And what is the color of your teeth? Yes, they are white. And how many teeth do you have? Normally we have 32 teeth. And how many times we should clean our teeth or brush our teeth? Yes, twice a day. Do you brush your teeth twice a day? Very good. Okay, now what is the color of teeth? White. And they are in our mouth, where we have teeth in our mouth. Okay, look at the next picture. What is it? Yes, it's a tongue. It's a tongue. And what is the color of tongue? Pink. What is the color of tongue? Pink. And how many tongues do we have? Yes, we have only one tongue. And we can taste with the help of our tongue. We can chew with our teeth and we can taste with our tongue. If you want to taste some food, you can use your tongue, or your tongue will help you to taste the food. And we will color it pink. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's your hand. And how many fingers do we have? We have 4 fingers and a thumb in our hand. What we can do with our hands? We can hold things, we can touch things. So these all body parts have their own functions. Today we have recognized 3 parts of body. First one was teeth, second tongue, third is your hand. After recognizing and learning their names, now we are going to color these parts of body. Our teeth are white, so we will color them white. Make outline and fill all the white space. And what is the color of tongue? Pink. So make dark outline and then you will fill light colors inside. You can do red color in pinks or you can color them pink. So we are coloring lips and tongue pink. Fill all the white spaces carefully and properly. Teeth and tongue. Fill light colors inside, and after coloring tongue you will color hand. Use skin or peach color for hand. Make dark outline, and after making dark outline you will fill light color inside. You will fill all the white space inside. So color it carefully. Fill all the white spaces. We have colored teeth, tongue and hand. Now we will learn question number 2. Today we will learn question number 2. And your question is, what is the color of your hair? Now you will tell the color of your own hair. If they are black, you will say black. If your hair are brown, you will say brown. What is the color of your hair? My hair is black. What is the color of your hair? Black or brown. What is the color of your hair? Black or brown. Students, revise it 2 more times and after completing your work say Alhamdulillah. Now we are going to start task of day 4, comprehension A, page number 50, fourth half. and we will revise question number 2. We will do fourth half of page number 50 and revise question number 2. So let's open page number 50 of your comprehension A. We were recognizing and learning the names of some parts of body. Now we are going to learn 3 more parts of body, names of 3 more parts of body. So look at the picture. What is in the picture? Look at the first picture. What is in this picture? Here is an arm. What is it? Arm. And you will color these pictures after recognizing them. So what is arm? आपके बाजू को कहते हैं आप arm. It is an arm. Now come to the next picture. What is it? It's a leg. What is it? Leg. And how many legs do we have? We have 2 arms and 2 legs. We have 2 arms and 2 legs. Now look at the third picture. What is it? It's a foot. It's a foot. And we have 2 feet. We have 2 feet. Today we have learned 3 names of body parts. First one was arm, second was leg, and third was foot. Now we will color these pictures. Let's start coloring. First of all, we will color arm. You will use cane or peach color to color arm. Make dark outline, and after making dark outline, you will fill light color inside. Fill all the white space inside and complete the color in arm. What is it? It's an arm. And fill all the white spaces. Outline should be dark, filling should be light. Now we will color leg. Make dark outline of leg, then you will color it light inside. Inside coloring or filling will be light and outline will be dark. What is it? It's a leg. And after coloring leg, you will color foot. Make dark outline of foot and then fill light color inside. Fill all the white spaces carefully. Don't leave any white space. So we have colored arm, leg and foot. After coloring, now you will revise question number 2. We are going to revise question number 2 and your question is, what is the color of your hair? What is the color of your hair? You will tell the color of your hair. If they are white, if they are black, you will say black. If they are brown, you will say brown. What is the color of your hair? Black or brown? What is the color of your hair? Black. What is the color of your hair? Brown. So it was your today's task. After completing your task, say Alhamdulillah. Now we are going to start comprehension A, task of day 5, 6 and day 7. In day 5, 6 and 7, we will just revise page number 50 and question number 1 and 2, and we will learn question number 3. For revision, you can watch previous videos or previous lectures. Let's revise the question. Question number 1 is, name any 5 parts of body. Name any 5 body parts. So what are they? Tell me the names of body parts. First one is face, then hair, ear, eye, nose, lip, arm, leg and foot. Again, face, hair, ear, eye, nose, lips, arm, foot and leg. And question number 2 is, what is the color of your hair? What is the color of your hair? Black or brown? You can give one you can tell one color, black or brown. Now we are going to learn question number 3. And your question is, which organ is used for sight? Which organ is used for sight? हम देखने के लिए किस organ को use करते हैं? Eyes. Eyes are used to see. So which organ is used for sight? Your answer is eyes. Which organ is used for sight? Eyes. You can see with your eyes. We can see with our eyes. So your question was, which organ is used for sight? Eyes. So student, revise it once again and Today's task is completed. Now you must say Alhamdulillah. Now we are going to start task of day 8. Comprehension A, task of day 8 is page number 51, first half, and you will revise question number 1 to 3. So let's start page number 51. Open your comprehension A, page number 51. We will learn some more names of parts of body and you will recognize them. So look at the first activity. What we have in this activity? Let's start the activity. Here is a girl. Look at the picture. And what is her name? Her name is Hira. Hira is smelling the flower. Which sense organ she will use? Yes, she will use ear or nose. Yes, what we can do with our ear? Ear is the organ for hearing. We can hear with our ear, but we cannot smell with our ear. So, nose can be used for smelling. So, which organ she will use to smell? Hira will use nose to smell flower. So, nose is, you will circle nose because nose will be used for smelling. You can smell things with the help of your nose. So, after this activity, you will revise question number 1, 2 and 3. Question number 1 is name any 5 body parts. So let's revise: face, hair, ear, eye, lips, nose, teeth, tongue, hand, arm, leg, foot. So you can learn any 5 names. Let's revise: face, hair, ear, eyes, lips, nose, teeth, tongue, hand, arm, leg and foot. Now revise question number 2. What is the color of your hair? Black or brown? What is the color of your hair? Black. What is the color of your hair? Black, or you can say brown. Question number 3 is which organ is used for sight? Which organ is used for sight? And your answer is eyes. You can see with your eyes. You can see beautiful things or this beautiful world with the help of your eyes. So which organ is used for sight? Your answer is eyes. So student, revise this question 1 or 2 times and after revising you will say Alhamdulillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, today we are going to start task of comprehension A, day 9 and 10. And you will do first half of page number 51 and you will learn question number 4. So let's start the work. Open your comprehension A, page number 51. And your topic is parts of body. So we will recognize some more parts of our body. Look at the first picture. What is it? It's an eye. And eye is used to see. You can see with the help of your eyes, and we have 2 eyes. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes, and people have different colors of eyeballs. People have different colors of eyes. So you can color it black, brown, blue or brown, hazel, green. So these are the blessings of Allah because we cannot see without our eyes. So we can see with the help of eye. Which organ is this? Eye to see. Eye to see. Look at the next picture. Which organ is this? It's an ear. And you know very well that we can hear with the help of ear. How we can hear? With the help of ear. So ear to hear. Ear to hear. Which organ is this? It is ear to hear. To hear different sounds. Ear is used to listen or hear different sounds. Which organ is used to hear? Ear. Which organ is this? Ear. Today we have recognized eye and ear. Eye to see, ear to hear. Eye to see, ear to hear. Now let's learn question number 4. And question number 4 is which organ is used for smell? Yes, in activity we have learned that Hira used nose for smelling flower. So which organ is used to smell? Nose. We can use our nose to smell different things. If you want to smell a food or a flower, which organ you will use? You will use nose. So which organ is used for smell? Nose. Which organ is used for smell? Nose. How many nose do you have? We have one nose and it is used to smell. So let's revise which organ is used for smell? Nose. So students, it was your today's task. After completing it, say Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz students.